Hi, this is Bhavani from Nurture 5. Namaste. Today's topic is composting. We are throwing lot of leftover food and garden waste and farm waste onto the landfill, making mountains of garbage. So these mountains are releasing methane gases. These gases are the cause for the pollution. We are polluting water, we are polluting air, we are polluting soil. So let's all avoid this pollution caused by human beings. I have done composting at schools and taught kids. Kids have done kitchen composting. The second one is composting at home. Is farm composting. How can we do composting at the farms?
Now we are going to make kitchen composting. First step is digging a pit. Now the compost pit is ready. Now we are adding kitchen waste as a first layer. We are adding dry leaves as a second layer. Finally we are covering with soil. Keep adding the layers in the same way till the pit is completely filled.
We are like dumping this much big baskets of waste every single day, throwing towards the earth. Let's start the process. So this is how it looks. The old compost I made. See? All the vegetable peels and fruit peels. How you can see the nature. We should embrace the nature. See? I filled the whole pot. So now I can use this one for my plants. I can grow my own food and feed the plants with my own compost. This is how it looks like. See? And you just dry it for 2 hours and so that it won't have any moisture in it. So you can store it and use it. First layer we are going to keep coconut shells. So this is reusing. I am reusing my coconut shell which I have used. Add the coconut fiber. This is also reusing. The layer we need to keep it like a bed. So I added coconut shells and coconut fiber and have the leaves. Now let's see, I'll just put it here. Now you have seen 3 layers. This is the kitchen waste. See, all the vegetables and fruits. So I'm going to add the kitchen waste. Just need to add only 2 more layers. Now kitchen waste, this is nitrogen and carbon, and air is, we have the hole here. So air, water it will have the moisture, that's enough. Water, nitrogen and carbon. So I'm just adding the leaves. You could just sprinkle the old compost, it will speed up the process. Again, just sprinkle my old compost in the soil. Soil, if you don't add it also it's okay, just to avoid the insects and adding the soil. Little bit just to cover the leaves. If you're not getting any bugs, so you don't need to add the soil. So this is how it looks like. So finally, then you keep adding again kitchen waste, again leaves and soil. Adding up all the layers and close the lid and keep it under indirect sunlight. Don't keep it under, if rain comes then it might spoil. It just needs the moisture, it doesn't need so much water. If you have so much water, it won't get composted. So please be careful. This is the composting process and this is after 45 days I showed you the compost, how it made. Then I am going to use this for my plants. If you have any comments or any issues with this, please leave in my comment section and I will look into it. Yeah, I do have bugs. Then I started adding the soil. So let's take the responsibility of our own trash and keep the world a better place to live in and take care of our own health.